Hey Rose fam, good morning, happy Saturday. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm just going to be doing my usual Saturday cleaning up. I just changed our sheets already. Got some laundry to do, and then I will be changing Ty's sheets when he gets about, and washing that laundry and my normal cleaning up. But on this video, I'm not going to be cleaning too much. I don't know, maybe later on we'll see how long it goes. But this morning, I am definitely going to be installing the Lutron motion sensor in the pantry that I talked to you guys about in the last vlog. So I am excited to do that. I'm trying to hold off a little bit. It's only 9 o'clock. But you know, I'm excited. I want to see what it looks like. I want to see how it feels. So I think I'm going to get started. In case you didn't see it, let me show you guys what it looks like. So here is the, hold on, sorry guys. Here is the motion sensor right here. Now I didn't know, because I'm not familiar with these, so I didn't know like which one, because there is one that says multi-switch, like down here it'll say like multi, and this just says switch. So I had to ask the gentleman in Lowe's, and he said the multi three-way switch is what it said. Is some people have, I guess, a switch that controls 3 different things, so I don't know what that is. So I'm hoping I have the right one. We literally just have the 2 lights in there. And it's controlled by 1 switch. So he said I would just need this one. And of course I bought the Lutron casing for it, and this one, as you can see, doesn't show any screws. It does say no visible screws, and I bought this in a gloss white. And where I am going to put it is right here on our pantry wall. So as you enter in, the light should come on, and you never have to turn it off and on. When you come out, it'll go off. So I am excited to do that. So yeah, let's open it up so we can see what it looks like here. You guys see? Hold on. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday. I didn't think I was going to vlog today, but I wanted to show you guys this, how we put this up, just in case you wanted to do something like that in your home. A lot of things look intimidating if you're not familiar with it, but once you see that it can be done safely, as long as you read your directions and you're confident in it, you know, definitely do not touch anything electrical if you've never done it, hadn't researched it, or have the confidence in it. Okay, so here's what the inside looks like. And so in here, you just have your typical grounding wire. I'm sorry, your metal. This green is for grounding. And then you have your 2 black wires. So, and then in here, it will give you instructions on how to connect it. Listen, when you're dealing with electrical, never skip instructions, guys. Never skip instructions. I know when we put some things together, some of us don't want to read the instructions, but when you're dealing with something like this, make sure you read it. So it does give you definite instructions. And then, of course, when you are doing anything with lighting, they will provide the screws and the little caps to cap off your wires. So that's that. And it says adjustable timeout, so you can actually set it to how long you want it to stay on as the person leaves the room, and it gives you the option of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, or 30. And it's actually available in 27 colors, it says, this particular one, and 15-minute installation. So that's wonderful. I'm going to open up this wall plate so you guys can see that. Hold on. Good Lord, y'all. I got this thing like Fort Knox. Hold on. Okay, so it has 2 plates. So there's the one with the screw. This one that goes into the wall just gets covered by this faceplate right here. I really don't want to pull this off. Okay. Sure, it snaps on, but I ain't trying to snap it off and snap my little nail off either. All right, well, we'll worry about that afterwards, but anyway, that's the faceplate, so it will go in like so. Like that. And it's really contemporary and sleek looking. I love it so much. I'm definitely going to be adding this to the list. So, all right, y'all, I am going to grab Hubster and we can do this together. All right, I'll be back.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking.
Hey guys, this is what it looks like behind there once you take it off. All right, so we're gonna take these off now, and then we will disconnect the electricity.
If it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got.
All right, y'all, that's what it looks like back up in there. So you have the 2 black wires here, and then you have the metal, and then you'll have a grounding wire that you'll need to use. The green wire will go in there as well and connect. That's what it looks like back in there, y'all. There's 2 black wires.
This one will go with this one.
Yeah, that's a grounding.
That one will go with
Yeah, that's cool. That's the grounding wire. Alright, y'all, let's go and shut the electricity off for the kitchen area. So our box is outside of our house, so we put a padlock on it. So hubby's going to disconnect it. I think you guys have seen me put up light fixtures and stuff before. So in my videos, I've shown you guys how I install those. It's a lot easier than that because it's just literally a surface that is right next to you. It's not in the ceiling where you're reaching up and stuff like that. So don't get intimidated by it. Do the kitchen. GIF island, oven, and then I will go upstairs and see if that, and it might be lights up, but do those two and I'll yell out the window, and then the next one will be smoke detector lights up if not. Okay, hold on guys, I'm gonna go and see if that took care of it. We don't want to disconnect everything in the house and have to reset all the clocks and the Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So I'm going to just check and yell to hubby if that's good or not. And I will be ghetto and yell out the window. Fam, I recently learned a tip from watching someone else's channel. They said to put the number of the circuit on the back so that you will always remember which circuit to turn off. So I thought that was super helpful. I don't have to yell. I think you can hear me. All right, that's it. Okay. All right, so got the light shut off there. That's something for you guys as well. You don't have to shut everything off. If you can see, the lights are still on in the kitchen. So kind of go around the area, read your light panel, and do things in that area until you get that certain one, and then it's going to disconnect that power to that place. Babe, did you bring your little flashlight? Oh yeah. He's coming now. Yeah, we're finna have motion lights in every room. Oh. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up right here so I can hold the light for hubby. Where's it good? Alright guys, so I'm going to jump in while you're watching this part. So with these light switches, there are two type of ways that they will install these black switches. So if you can see the silver or gold screws on the side, most of the time they wrap the black wires around there, and then there will be some of the times where they insert it through the middle. So we've never run across this before, so we are trying to figure out, our wires are in the middle, so we were trying to figure out how in the heck do we get the black wire out from the middle panel.
Onto the hook. I don't want to cut it.
All right, you guys, let me show you where we got stuck at so you guys will know if you're removing this. It is simple. You just have to know. Sometimes it's wired to where you'll see the wire looped around the screw on the edge. But that wasn't how ours were. They were in these little holes right here. So what I did was just go on YouTube. YouTube can be your friend. And Google how to take these off. And then what it says was that you'll see the wires in the two holes. There's a small box right here that you insert something really slim and thin, push down and pull the wire out. So that's that part. So save you a step with that just in case. All right, fam, so another thing I wanted to share with you, as we do on this channel, is we want to share the good as well as the bad. Or I wouldn't even call it bad. It's a learning process. So as hubby was putting together the wire, he had read the wire for the steps for the 3-wire process. Neither one of us had realized that way in the back there was a white wire. So we actually had 4 wires. So as we were putting it together, we noticed that it still was missing a white wire. So we had to go back in and account for that white wire. And you know, I have to always put this disclaimer out. I have experience doing this. If you have never touched it, you're afraid, don't try it. Make sure you read the directions. And if you're confident in doing it, go ahead and do it. Don't say Simply Rose told me to do it. And to come looking for me. Just sharing how we take care of our home. All right. You want me to go ahead and turn it on before you do that? So let me make sure it's on. Was there anything for us to adjust behind there before you did that? I'm sorry, y'all had y'all looking at the tree. Was it pretty? Y'all know I'll be joking with you. But seriously, your house ain't gonna burn down. Just joking. But just do be careful if you decide to take on a project like this. Nothing came on yet, but it said it might take a minute to load. You turned everything back on? Once the power has been restored, the center switch will not automatically control the load for the first 2 minutes.
Daydream with me, let your mind explode.